doing his job underneath the boards. At
There's Magu Marjan with Joey Santa Maria, ang ating mga kaibigan from Radyo PBA. And here's our No Fear Fearless move of the game, brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it.
And Paul Artadi mukhang minasted na niya yung finger roll, ano? Because he has a hard time getting off his shots from the jump shot. So that's another weapon in his arsenal, no? Yung kanyang flip.
Which is a necessity when there are 6'9" behemoths roaming around.
And also because he's having a hard time getting off his usual jump shots, no? That's an alternative para sa kanya. And a weapon that he's been able to use very well. Dun sa third quarter, mga kaibigan, Magnolia held down to less than 30% shooting ng depensa ng Barangay Ginebra.
Welcome to the fourth and final quarter between Ginebra and Magnolia as Watkins is fouled. Let's send you over to Dominic Uy.
Miko, Coach Shot Tankinson reminding his boys, huwag kayong magpanic because it's only a 6-point lead. We're right where we want to be. And he wanted to set up itong si Danny Ildefonso and Jamil Watkins coming off the weak side. And that was a perfectly run play, kaya naman tuwang-tuwa si Coach Shot Tankinson.
Muchos gracias, Senyor Domingo El Conquistador.
And also, we noticed that opening the fourth quarter, wala si Alexander. Watkins had an easy time going up for the hoop. At nakita kaagad ni Coach Joseph Echico, that lead is not safe. Binilig niya kaagad si Alexander. We did see sa import matchup graphic, 21 rebounds na. Make that 22 para kay Alexander.
Kung hinahanap niyo po si Mark Kagiwa, he did not return after the halftime break, suffering from reportedly tendinitis, no, sa kanyang tuhod. Ang balita ay hindi na siya makakabalik sa larong ito. No word though kung questionable din siya para sa susunod na laro ng Ginebra. Magnolia, on the other hand, is now missing the services of Dondon Ontiveros, who suffered a sprain on his left ankle back in the first half. At siya rin po ay malamang hindi na makakabalik sa larong ito.
Mark Aguiwa has come out of the dressing room and he has now walked over to the bench ng Barangay Ginebra. Baka makalaro ulit si Mark Aguiwa as Helterbrand scores. Alam mo, magandang matchup dito, ha? Si Tugade versus Junti Valenzuela, former teammates at Red Bull.
Ba? On cue, ha? Mark Aguiwa made his way back to the Ginebra bench and Dondon Ontiveros is back on the Magnolia bench. Baka ba nagmerienda lang itong dalawa na ito?
Oh, look at that block shot. At sumaludo pa si Alexander. Sino ba yan sinaludo niya?
Sabay double salute.
Yo.
Yes.
Okay.
Here's Watkins. One more try and he will take two.
Napansin natin dito, nagkakainisan yung dalawang import, ha? Watkins, I thought, wanted to show a thing or two to Alexander by saying that, oh, they took the shot. I got the offensive rebound.
I think literally they want to cancel each other.
Oh, but missed free throw here for Watkins. Remember, nag-aabol ang Magnolia. Sunday Salvacion has earned his minutes here playing defense. Wala pa siyang puntos dito, but he's playing good defense.
Both imports struggling from the line. Here's Helterbrand. Alexander. Now he's picked up his scoring here in the second half.
Well, he's getting the ball exactly where he wants. Inside the shaded area. Oh, here's a push from Watkins. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, no? Na si Alexander, he changes up his defensive stance against Watkins. Kung minsan nasa likod, kung minsan nasa harap. Ito ngayon, nasa harap siya ni Watkins, and Watkins pushing him away to get position. Ito, he pushed off against Alexander to get the ball. Ang ganda ng position ni Alexander. Remember, he's much taller.
Oh, what a slam by Alex Crisano, but Joel
technical. With technical.
will assess a technical foul.
And Alex Crisano asking the fans.
And Alex Crisano has no idea that he's been tagged with a technical
he doesn't
foul.
know it yet.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't know it yet. But look at the way he's going. Eto, makita natin ang ginawa ni Alex Crisano. But he held on to the rim. You don't do that. You know, it's great for the crowd. They'll give the technical foul. Pero sabi siguro ni Alex Crisano, okay, I'll give up the technical foul just to fire at the crowd.
Okay lang. It's worth it.
Okay, worth it, worth it.
Oh, tawag daw, foul
Tama
count.
naman, no?
Yeah,
yun.
oh.
He's firing at the crowd and certainly knows how.
Ayan ang tawag na foul counted. Technical. Oh boy.
Ngayon lang yata nalaman ni Crisano na bigyan siya ng technical foul. Magtatatanong siya. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? And here's Crisano.
I think he's still in seventh heaven after that spectacular play. So timeout muna tayo. Ayan, pinapaliwanag ni Alex Crisano. 10-point lead para sa Ginebra.